Scenario: on February 18, 2021, the Perseverance touched down at the Mars Hezzo crater. The Perseverance is a rover designed to explore the crater on Mars. The specs of the Perseverance has it having 1,025 kilograms of mass. The question: what is the weight of Perseverance on Earth? The weight can be seen as the force of gravity acting on the mass when it is on the surface of Mars. The weight is equal to Fg is equal to mass times gravity. Notice that the G here is based on the surface of Earth. That's why it's going to be equal to 9.8, or you can use 10 if you would like. So plug it in, you should get the value of 10,045 newtons, or if you convert it, it is 2,258.25 pounds. The next question states, knowing that the average gravitational field on the surface of Mars is 3.7 newtons per kilogram, what is the weight of Perseverance should be when it is on Mars? The gravitational field right here on the surface of Mars is 3.7 G, so that is what the G is, 3.7 newtons per kilogram. The equation for weight is the same, which is equal to Fg, which is mass times gravity. The mass is the same, which is 10,025 times the new G, which is 3.7, getting you the value of 3,792.5 newtons, or converted, it is 852.6 pounds. The next question asks, what is the weight of Perseverance as it descends from orbit onto the surface of Mars? Please understand that Mars's gravitational field is 3.7 newtons per kilogram, and it is less as it moves away from the surface of Mars, because G is equal to big G m1 over r squared. There is an inverse relationship between the distance r and the gravitational field G. R is on the bottom, that's why it's an inverse relationship of that distance. So, therefore, as Perseverance descends onto the surface of Mars, the weight will increase because the gravitational field will increase. G goes up because R goes down, because the rover here is descending onto the surface of Mars. As it descends, R goes down, G goes up. So G goes up, that means weight will go up. So as Perseverance descends onto the surface of Mars, the weight will actually increase because the gravitational field will increase due to the distance between Mars' surface and the rover decreasing.